Hello everyone, we welcome you all. Today we are going to show you lot of artifacts, lot of drawing activities that are best suitable for the small kids. So let's begin with the first one. Here we are going to show you how we can make this rabbit out of few easy simple steps. This activity is very simple. Let's move further with another activity. For this, you may require a blackboard, you may require some colorful chalks. Even you can perform this activity on your drawing book. You just have to follow the each step in a proper sequential manner. Here I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful plant out of just few easy simple steps. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9 years. You may require some colorful chalks for performing this. It's a little bit time consuming, but once you will practice it twice or thrice, you can just make it in just few simple seconds. You will be done. Don't forget to add some of the leaves in the background. Let's move further with another artifact. Here we are making some of the lines as a parrot on your screens. After that we are going to convert them into this beautiful butterfly. This looks so simple and easy, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Let's move with another activity. First you just have to make this cross. After that you just have to join some of the semicircles over it. Thank you for watching our videos.